Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. In today's class we are going to learn about several Java functions given to us to manipulate numbers. You know, in real life, whether it is a matter of calculating simple interest or solving any trigonometric functions or calculating compound interest, we always use a lot of mathematical calculations. It is really good to have these functions at our disposal. That way we can simply reuse these functions and save our time and focus on solving core problems. As you see, the first function we are going to learn today is absolute function. Absolute function in general or in math is a way to find the absolute value without worrying about positive or negative. We are just calculating the magnitude of the number, not the direction, whether it's upward or downwards, if you understand what I mean. So a positive number, if this is 0, a positive number is, let's say this is 5 and let's say this is minus 5. If I want to find the absolute value, irrespective of whether number is this side or this side, we refer this as absolute number. That means we ignore the sign positive or negative. Now, if I give you number minus 5 and ask you to give the absolute value, there are two ways to do that. We can write our own function, and in that case we will first check if the number is negative. In that case, multiply this number with minus 1 and this will give you 5. But if number is 0 or not negative, then number is going to be just whatever number I gave you. If I give you 5, you simply return 5. In this case, you will not multiply with minus 1. And that is the concept behind, or logic behind the absolute number. We can write our own function, but why to write when it is already written by somebody else? Let's just reuse it. So Java provides this function called math.absolute. In the math class, a function called absolute is there, and it takes just one parameter and it will return you the number we have entered here. So don't forget, since it is part of the math class, don't forget to import java.lang package. So you will write import java.lang, and I can do either absolute class math, I can do this, or you can also say import java.lang.star. That means every class in this package will be, or library will be imported. So as you can see, the number, when I say minus 1, when I pass a number a equal to minus 1 and I do absolute, if I use the function absolute on this number, it will be 7. It will return 7 here. If I pass again 7 itself, which is positive number now, it will still return 7. If I pass a negative real number, or the fraction minus 7.2, it will return you 7.2. All it does, it removes the sign positive or negative and always returns a positive number. That's all in today's class. In the next class, we'll focus and learn some of the trigonometric functions, including pi, sine, cos, and tan. There are several functions. We will not be able to cover everything, but it will give you enough for you to start. You can always do a Google and find a function. See you again in the next class. Please practice. That's the only way to learn.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.